Asifa is engaged in a lot of activities. In fact, I would say, by staying true to the spirit and upholding one of its mottos of blending art and technology, making available invaluable knowledge and information. We have an exciting lineup of events. We will start with engaging panel discussions on virtual production.
This specific reason, right? Because we need a lot of people getting into not just virtual production per se, because it's an umbrella term.
Followed by a panel on Unreal Engine and the future of animation storytelling.
So yeah, I think it's brilliant. Fortunately, we've done a lot of commercials on Unreal where there were no characters, no faces, no blend shapes, nothing.
Afterwards, we are thrilled to host a conversation with the renowned film producer of Bahubali.
And especially we started with television, which is a more contained and risk-free model. So it was easy for us to understand the numbers part of it.
We will feature a panel of women leaders.
It's about how you nourish that, okay? There'll be some people who don't need the nourishment. They are very comfortable with the structure. They are able to manage everything.
As well as discussion on a compelling topic from imagination to reality.
We were just trying to see, can photorealism work in real time? That's where we were actually. Yeah. And then Epic Games and Kim Lebery and all the Epic Games team, they took a great initiative.
How technology empowers and democratizes animation and VFX filmmaking. By a deep dive into the grandeur of India mythology.
How do you drive a narrative from a non-linear track where the story is disconnected in every single verse?
I wanted to understand how I could kind of make these characters come alive, and that's when the project
that is where you're fully exploring what the personality of a character is. When you're working with live action footages, you are restricted a lot by the way the camera is placed, the way someone has acted to.
Engaging Academy panel discussing ways to bridge the gap between academia and studios.
That kind of interest, I think they can have one link for academies on their websites, wherein academies can go and just fill their data there, and they would like to come and see their facility at so-and-so time or whatever is convenient for the studio.
The day's highlight will include screenings of the best of NEC 2023 and the best of NEMIO 2023.
I'm not a child anymore.
As well as the screening of SIGGRAPH Asia 2022 Computer Animation Festival. Deepak Kumar Singh is here with us, everybody. Congratulate him for student winner in the category Experimental Short. Janardhan, Joy, Abhinav, Girish and Navdeep on stage, everybody, for the best stop motion. Congratulate Shruti Sudha Sahu for taking away the best music video animation. It was a very, very tough selection. Actually, the award to Mr. Arun SM. Congratulations, sir, for taking away the award for animation in a feature. Asifa India's Awards Excellence 2023.
Congratulations, and thank you.
For Asifa India Awards of Excellence, we would want each of you to contribute and support Asifa India.